welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some tacos and mojitos, and I'm kind of excited and I'm kind of hyped and I'm very hungry, but it should be quick. Well, not the cook time, but the make time should be super quick. So I am actually looking at a recipe because I ain't never made this before, friend. I've never made this a day in my life, nor have I made a mojito. Y'all get to see it for the first time. And I have Tam here to let y'all know if it's good or if it's nasty. So say hey, Tam.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all. All right, cool. So we have the oven preheat and it's on 275. Already getting all good. And so now we are going to be working with our pork butt, which is the shoulder. It looks like this. Now they say to get it, you know, boneless. This one has a bone in it, so what I have to do is remove the bone, but that's okay. We're gonna get it done. We're in the coronavirus zone, so like everything's selling out. So you can't find a lot of the stuff at my store, at my grocery store. So I went ahead and got that. So the first thing we're going to do, we're gonna chop it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bone, and then I'm gonna cut it into 2-inch slices. So let me cut the bone out, then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how we chop it. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and cut the pork into little chunks. That's what Carnitas is, like little meats, so they say. And I have the fats on the side. I separated the fat from the actual pork, but we're gonna combine all of that in the bowl and then go in with the spices and all that good stuff. So what I'm gonna do, just go ahead and transfer the meat and the fat. All right, so now that we have this added, you wanna add all the rest of your ingredients. You wanna take some olive oil, and I will have the recipe in the description bar so you guys can see all of the measurements and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and add the olive oil. Then we're gonna add all of these spices. Now I've already added the spices here. So everything that you see right here is added. We got some ground cumin, and you got your bay leaves in here. They just had like 2 of them in there. Some cinnamon, some freshly ground black pepper, and I'm actually gonna add some cayenne pepper. I haven't added it yet, but I am gonna add it at the end. I'm gonna do a little, you know, just a little dash. So I'm gonna do that, and also some sea salt. I wanted to go ahead and add all of that, and also the garlic is all nicely peeled. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this. Just wanna go ahead and put that on there like that right now. Get it all in there, okay. Go ahead and put all the garlic, 8 cloves. So you do wanna go ahead and peel the orange, and then you want to juice the orange. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this all up. Get that nicely distributed. Try not to disturb those bay leaves you threw in there. You don't want to break them because you're gonna have to get them out a little bit later. That looks juicy and delicious. Okay, you guys, so once you have everything all mixed up in the bowl, you want to get a baking dish and just transfer everything from the bowl to the dish. Gonna make sure I spread that out so that it all gets some good loving. I've seen a lot of recipes where they make the carnitas in lard, but since they want you to keep the fat in here, it's just gonna cook in its own fat, all in one, just all in this pan. So that's what we're doing. If you can make your chunks the same size, that is preferred because you want it all to kind of cook to the same level. That's why you want all of your cuts to be within the same size. So you want to make them small, they all gotta be small. You want to make them big, they all gotta be big. So if you have some heavy duty aluminum, then use that. I don't, so I'm just gonna wrap it a few times because you need the hefty, and this ain't that. You really want it to be trapped. You want this heat and everything to be trapped so this meat can cook. You don't want no raw meat, girl. All right, y'all. So now I'm just gonna pop it in the oven. The oven's set to 275, so it's gonna slow cook and let them juices get in there. That olive oil and that orange peel, the juices of the orange. Ooh, I can't wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 3.5 hours. Yes, 3.5 hours. I'm hungry already. Okay, guys, so I'm about to pop this in the oven and then I'm gonna come right back. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be making a mojito now, and I have all of the ingredients laid out for you guys. So first, I have some sugar here. I have some white Bacardi rum, white rum. I have some limes. You're gonna need 4 limes. Some mint leaves. I just have a bunch. And then some soda water and also some ice. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the mint. I'm gonna clap it because they say if you don't clap it, it's not gonna release the oils. Learned that in Cuba, you know. Went there. It was a pretty shitty experience, not gonna lie. All of them don't need to be clapped, but it's gonna help. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the juice of a lime. Just that out a little bit, then you wanna go ahead and just add that lime in there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of like release some of those oils from the leaves and from the lime, just kind of mixing it up. After that, you wanna go ahead and add your sugar. I know it's a lot of sugar, it's mojito. It's a lot of sugar, add the sugar. Now I have all the measurements in the description bar for you guys as well. And then you want to add the juice of 2 more limes. And then you want to just give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with some ice. I have my ice here. I like a lot of ice. Then we're going to go ahead and add the club soda. I already measured it out. So you just want to pour that over in there. And the best part of the whole ordeal, okay, is your Bacardi rum. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a shot. Add that in. Give it a nice stir. So now the drink is done and it's time to taste it. And you can add more sugar if needed. Go ahead and add a little lime slice on the side. Make it all nice and pretty. Then let's give it a good taste. I'm hoping I'm getting me a good Cuban feel right now. Oh, this tastes good. Woo! All right, y'all. So we're still waiting on the carnitas in the oven. In the meantime, take you a few sips and we'll be back. It has been 3.5 hours. I'm about to go ahead and take out the pork. Okay. Nice and tender already. All right, y'all, so this pan is hot. What you should do is just like pour everything into this pan, into a bowl and a strainer. And you just kind of put it in there like that. And you just let the juices go into the bowl, and then you keep the meat here because you're gonna transfer the meat, the pork, back into here. We're gonna put like a crisp on top, but it is so hot and it's heavy because this is a lot of meat. I'm not about to burn myself. I'm just not about to do it. So I'm gonna scoop the meat out and put it in here, and then I'm gonna pour the juices and drain it that way so it's not as heavy when I go to pour it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer all of the pork. So basically, guys, make sure you're taking out orange peels and the bay leaves and all of that. You don't want any of that going back into the oven because you just want a crisp meat. So the orange peels are very, very soggy. All the flavor has been dispersed. So you just want to make sure you get all of that out and also drain all the juices on there. So I'm just doing it as I go. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the meat back into the pan. And you want to make sure you separate it because you want it to get brown on the top and have that nice crisp. So you got to make sure the meat is not on top of one another. Okay, so now that we have everything in the pan, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle just a little bit of the juices, braising liquid, as they call it. And just try to make sure you get some on every piece. Don't drown it, just graze it over each piece. So now I'm just gonna make sure I go ahead and put this back in the oven. You do have to broil it, and this is just getting it nice and crispy. So you wanna keep checking on it about 4 minutes or so. And then if you can, take it out of the oven, put some more of that little fat on there, and then put it back in the oven. You'll get it extra crispy. I'm gonna move my tray closer to the top though. And I'll let you guys know as soon as it comes out, and then we'll chop it up and start with the tacos. All right, y'all, so heating up some tortillas over here on my little burner. It's my first time trying out the burner. Doesn't seem to be getting hot yet. Chill on that. But however, I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some of the juices on here, and we're gonna put it back in the oven for one more go. I'm going good in the neighborhood. Broil that for like one more minute. Don't go too far. Y'all see how it's looking already. You don't want to be too burnt, but you do want to get that nice crisp. I took it up a notch. You guys are gonna love it. Booyah! All you do, if you want 2 tacos, you do this side. If you want 3, boom. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and drop those tortillas right on in there. Just like that. All right, y'all, so I got it nice and shredded. Y'all see that? Oh, that looks so good, so tender. And it smells so good. I haven't done it all. I just done this part, but A1 so far. So Tam's over there making some more tortillas. So we have those. I actually have some guacamole here that Tam made, and some green salsa. This is salsa verde. I just got this one from the store already made, and guac, and then we have a lime. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up for y'all, putting some pork in. Can't get right, I'm hungry. All right, so the pork is in. Go ahead and add some cilantro. Love cilantro. Squeeze some lime juice. Got my little juicer, got my lime in there. Squeeze some of that in there. Some fresh lime juice. Then I'm gonna add some of the green salsa, the salsa verde. And shout out to Jalen for putting me on these tacos. Y'all know she is taco queen. We've been to a restaurant to get them a lot, but we've never made it. And I was like, I told her, I was like, girl, I'm gonna make it since we in quarantine. That is the taco. You can put just anything you want on it. This is just how it normally comes at that restaurant that I get it from. You can throw some guac on there. Like I said, we got the guac. You can put more lime. But this is it, you guys. I did it. It tastes so good, the flavor. This is pretty authentic tasting to the restaurant. I'm proud. So good. Y'all should try it. It makes a lot. You can make a pulled pork sandwich out of this. You don't have to just make tacos. Possibilities are endless. Hope you guys like this video. I need to eat my food because I'm hungry, friends. And if you guys want to see more cooking videos, let me know below and I will have them for you guys. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.